Hey, let me ask you something.
Yes?
How many times did you log in today? Instagram, Gmail, bank app, anything.
Multiple times.
But have you ever thought who controls what you can access and what you can't?
I don't know.
OTP, Face ID, password. These are not just the random features. That's something called IAM, Identity Access Management. And today, I'm going to show you how this invisible system controls everything and how you can build career in it. Let's make this super simple. Identity means who you are. Access means what you can use. Management means who controls it. So basically, IAM means the right person get the right access at the right time. Let's take a real-time example. An employee can access only emails but not financial data. Manager can access reports but not admin controls. Guess why? Because IAM decides it. Now imagine if everyone had full access. Employees accessing manager data and manager accessing the admin controls. Total chaos. That's where IAM exists. Now let's understand why IAM is critical. One small mistake in access can lead to data breaches, financial loss, legal problems, and even company shutdown. Because one wrong access leads to crores in loss. So that's why IAM is the first layer in security. Simple line to remember, no IAM that equals to no security. Now the interesting part, career. Most people think technology is always about the coding. But IAM is something different. You don't need heavy coding, you just need logic, understanding and tools knowledge. IAM analyst, IAM engineer and access management specialist are few roles in IAM. And here's the best part, high demand, less competition. Companies don't just need developers, they need who can control it. Let's talk about the real work. In IAM, you're going to work with the tools like CyberArk, Okta and SailPoint. What do you actually do is creating users, providing access, removing the access and managing roles. It's practical, real world and impactful work. So now you understand what exactly the IAM is and how you are going to use it in everyday life. But now you can also build career in it. Don't wait till everyone starts running behind this field. Start early and stay ahead. Join IAM sessions at Quality Thought and grow your career. Take the first step today and your future starts now.